21 century skills.
Babi, dito ako. Sa harapan.
Ayun na, dito nakaisip. 21 century skills refers to a broad set of knowledge, skills, works, habits, and character traits that are deemed necessary in coping with today's world and future career and workplace. So, ano yung, ano ba yung 21 century skills?
Yung ano, pag yung ang tawag nito?
Yung more on
Information
student
na
na
sila,
siya.
information technology na sila. IT.
Okay, try to remember your teachers, your elementary teachers, your high school teacher. They focus on three domain. Ano yung three domain na yon?
Teaching tools,
l-
learning skills.
Yung three domain is the knowledge, the
Technology yan.
effective, and the psychomotor. Okay? But the other skill of the 21st century were mass incorporated on that domain. So, nababago na siya. Hindi lang yun ang hindi lang yung three domain ang ginagamit. That is why it is very demand for essential skills. That is why we need to integrate the 21st century skills right now in the academy. In the corner of the classroom, if we are having the so gaya nito, nandito tayo sa physically or what if nasa online distance learning tayo, or whatever modality that should be incorporated aside from the knowledge skills and attitude knowledge is our knowledge refers to the cognitive skills na nagre-refers doon sa psychomotor, and attitude refers to the affective. Okay? But in the 21st century, try to internalize the differences of the basic KSA analysis attitude or cognitive, affective, and psychomotor to the definition of the 21st century skill. I think we need to change the domain. Ano na yung domain? Knowledge, effective, and psychomotor. Kung hindi natin i-change, i-improve natin or innovate and incorporate or i-integrate ang other skills which incorporate the definition of 21st century skills because it's include works, yun na nga yung habits, traits, character traits.
Saan ka ba?
Nandyan pa lang ako sa simula.
Ano page yan?
Di ba di siya?
Domains, affective ba yun o effective?
Effective.
Di ba di na siyang start?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Effective, sorry, effective.
Affective, yes. 3 domains.
I think we need to change, okay?
Okay.
That they are necessary in coping today's world so that we can categorize the first skills, which is, ano ba yung sinabi ko sa inyo sa partnership, di ba may tatlo, yung learning skills, yung nasa exam nyo,
Learning life skills,
literacy
learning.
skills, at saka life skills. So lahat lang yon matatakel din dito sa topic na yun. Try to observe which was not really incorporated in the traditional teaching and learning process. So yung tatlo na yun, i-observe niyo sa traditional teaching. I-compare niyo siya. We are not always thinking about yung life literacy. Hindi lang tayo hindi lang tayo nagbe-base sa real life, yung nasa natin, kung ano yung nakikita natin, hindi lang tayo naka-base doon. We are not
Information-based?
we are not always thinking about the reality of life, that our learning should always have the transverse learning approach. So, hindi lang tayo nakabase sa real life. Okay? And dapat ang learning natin have transfer learning approach which can be integrate. So, pwede nating pagsamahin which can be incorporated with the lifelong learning approach so that we can cope in today's world. Kailangan nating ma-apply ang ating mga learning or ma-transfer into our real life because our learning is always based on the template 1, which is we need to pass and we need to get passing score course. Ito yung nasa ano natin eh, hindi lang tayo naka-base dito sa we need to get a passing score, we need to have a line of 8 grades. Kayo ba, yun lang ba ang focus ninyo?
No.
Yung makapasa kayo, makakuha kayo ng line of 9?
Hindi, basta makapasa ka
Hindi.
pa.
Yung magiging yung first honor ka, kaya mamaya may may recognition, congrats
wala
na lang
kami
in
dun,
advance. Merong dalawa akong na sa kasi kumuha ka ng isa sa first class. Oo. Actually, dalawa sana sila sa first class ko. Pero I need to choose
The best.
other class.
Ah.
BSED at saka BSIT. So, that was our own mindset. Yun yung mindset natin before as students. And as our teacher, also doing that kinds of approach. So, noong yung traditional natin noon, ganun yung mindset natin, di ba? Hindi naman natin, lalo na sa elementary tayo, di ba? Ang sipag nating mag-aral kasi gusto nating nasa top tayo. Yun yung mindset ako. Inamin ko, yun din ang mindset ko noon kasi nasa top din ako ng elementary.
sa akin.
Pero nung high school, wala na. Enjoy ko na lang. Kasi
Kasi
stress.
talaga.
Oo.
Stress ka lang.
Enjoy ko na lang. And, asan na ako? So, we need to change or we need to have that kind of shift. The paradigm shift of education system right now that learning should not always rely on passing, getting a high score, okay? A recognition or in competition. No, it should be an application of learning to real life so that we can cope on today's world. Why there are a lot of students and why there are a lot of individuals in this community, in this society committing suicide? Bakit kaya
Na-stress sila.
usually pressure, na-depress na sila dahil sa lalo na sa mga Chinese. Ang learning nila
High
is
expectation.
mataas ang kasi once na hindi sila nakapasa
dito,
sa
grade
school
one
na
pa lang.
papasukan nila, lalo na sa
Primary 1 pa lang
university.
yung alaga ko.
Oo.
School kasi
School kasi
ang
sila.
pumipili dito eh.
3 years old pa lang.
Napagod na.
Actually, yung alaga kong Chinese nung 2 years old pa lang, nag-i-start na siya.
Yung alaga ko ng 6
Ako din na, nag-aaral na yung alaga. O, 2 years old.
Oh, yung 6 months, tinuturuan na natin ng
hindi.
di ba?
Nursery pa lang kasi sila.
yung tinuruan ko dati, nag-start kami ng 6 months. Flashcard siya.
Flashcard. Yung alaga ko naman na si Puti, yung itong alaga ko ngayon, ganun ginagawa ko.
Flashcard kasi
Or di kaya,
right brain tsaka yung
yes. Oo,
ma-open yung
nagre-retain
right brain
kasi
ng
yun
mga
eh.
bata.
Tapos ang ginagawa ko, pag may gagawin ako like, ipupusod ko yung buhok niya, ang ginagawa ko, binibigyan ko siya ng gadget na yung oras
Something
na
na
yun,
hawakan niya.
oo, ay yung oras na yun lang yung pwede siyang manood, di ba? Binibigay ko sa kanya yung learning na like alphabet songs or numbers. At pag inulit-ulit mo yun ng araw-araw, nare-retain sa kanya, alam niya na. Minsan magugulat ka na lang kinakanta niya ng mag-isa. Nagugulat na lang mga amo ko kasi gano'n ang ginagawa ko. Tapos minsan, naririnig niya lang yung sounds ng alphabet. Tapos pag binigyan mo na siya ng book at mag-reading na kayong dalawa, alam niya na. Hindi niya nasasabihin na pig, hindi. Pig, ganun siya. Hindi niya sasabihin pig. Alam niya pig, pero sasabihin niya muna yung sound.
Sound ng letter.
Kaya nagugulat si amo ko pag tapos pag nasa surroundings ka, dapat i-learn mo din siya na gaya ng countings. Bilangin mo ko ilan ang nakikita niyang building or dogs, yun. Nalalearn sila. So, yun yung aga ng pero hindi, ang mga puti kasi hindi nila ini-stress. Unlike sa Chinese. Uupuan mo talaga. Naranasan ko yun kasi tinuturuan ko yung alaga kong Chinese noon.
Ako din dati.
Inuupuan ko. Nakaka-stress, oo. May stress ka na lang kasi hindi niya naman ibibigay sa'yo kung anong gagawin. Bahala ka. Okay. Like, why there, yun nga, yung committing suicide. Why there are other students or individuals are afraid of socializing, communicating, and why people are, or some individuals are not good communication. Because we always have that kind of setup in our education which focus and have a kind of mindset that learning in the classroom should have a passing score. It should be a textbook driven or all the text in the textbook should be given by the teacher, and the teacher is the one who gave the information. So, paulit-ulit lang tayo. Ganun yung nangyayari ng tradition. Okay, let's move. If you want to become a teacher, you should be a technologically, hindi lang dahil marunong kang kailangan mo din i-adapt yung mga technologically inclined teacher. Although there are some student or learner who are very digital native. So, may mga student na papasok pa lang advanced na sila. Alam na nilang gumamit ng gadgets. Alam na nila gamitin ang technology. So, dapat ikaw na teacher, alam mo din. Hindi ka dapat hindi kailangan na hindi dapat na mas advanced pa yung student mo kaysa sa'yo. Okay, so ang 21st century skills, it's very demand. Demand siya ngayon kasi we need to that's why it's very demand for essential skills. And that's why we need to integrate the 21st century skills right now. So, the 21st century skills may include the following. Nandito yung critical thinking, problem solving, reasoning, analyzing, interpretation, synthesizing information. Sa lahat ng ito, hindi ko siya isa-isahin kasi matatakel din siya dito sa next na Okay? I-read nyo na lang siya.
Okay, ma'am.
Let's go to the framework framework for 21st century. So according to the Partnership for 21st Century Skill, this concept encompasses a wide array of a body of knowledge and skills that have to be categorized. Moreover, this concept has been interconnected with applied skills, cross-curricular skills, cross-disciplinary skills, interdisciplinary skills, transferable skills, transversal skills, and non-cognitive skills and soft skills. So, nakikita niyo yung picture sa
Yes po.
Yan yung framework. Malabo ba?
Life and career skills. Learning and innovative skills. Yan.
Ano yung chart niya? Ito yung chart niya, mas clear. So, yung learning and innovation skills, pag nakita nyo yung nasa taas, this is yellow label. Ang nasa loob nito is the creativity and innovation, critical thinking and problem solving, communication and collaboration. So, mapag-aaralan natin siya kasi nandito siya sa book ninyo. And then, the information, media, and technology skills. This is the blue level. This one. Nandito sa gilid. Ito yung nilalaman is information literacy, media literacy, ICT or information communication and technology literacy. And the red label, life and career skills. Ano ba yung nandito? Yung flexibility and adaptability, initiative and self-direction, social and cross-cultural skills, productivity, and accountability, leadership, and responsibility. Tapos, kung makikita nyo yung standards and assessments, curriculum and assessments, professional development, learning environment, sila yung
Core subject and
ito yung charged by the teacher. So, ito yung ng mga teachers.
Standards.
Yung nasa baba.
Yung tatlo naman din. Tatlo.
Charged for the teachers ang mga yan.
okay.
Okay, let's move learning and innovation skills. So, ito yung first na yung sinasabi ko kanina, yung nasa yellow label. These are the primary skills. Who wants to read?
Madam,
Learning and innovation,
madam.
page 21. Yes, Reka.
these are the primary skills orchestrated in the 21st century. They are attributes that differentiate students who are prepared for a complex life and work environment from those who are not. Therefore, there is a need to stress on creativity, critical thinking, communication, and collaboration in preparing learners for the future.
Okay. Pag naririnig nyo ba yung critical thinking and problem solving, ano ba yung nasa isip ninyo? Math. Math.
Analyze.
50-50, ma'am.
Ano?
Critically.
Anong nasa isip ninyo?
Analyzation.
Critical thinking and problem solving are finding a solution to a problem, but how can you find a solution to a problem? And or how can you use your thinking to find a solution to a problem? So we need to be a critical thinker to find a solution easily to a problem. So critical thinking, ano ba yung critical thinking? Anyone? Is the ability to think clearly and rationally understanding the logical connection between ideas. What else? The ability to engage in a reflective and independent thinking. So, yun yung ibig sabihin ng critical thinking and problem solving. For example, as we as a math major, kapag math major ka, we need to solve a kind of math problem. So, we need to critically think a solution that fits to that problem. So, how we need to use our critical thinking to find a solution or easily solution to a problem. So, yun yung example ng critical thinking. So, kung makikita yung iyong skills and sub-skills, work together effectively in team, reason effectively, basahin nyo na lang siya kasi binibigay ko na lang yung meaning ng critical thinking and problem solving. Okay? Para makamove tayo. Make judgment and decision. And number 4 is solve problem. So, na-mention ko naman sa inyo ang critical thinking and problem solving. Kung anong ibig sabihin. Next is communication.
Communicate clearly.
This pertains to articulating thoughts and ideas effectively using oral and written communication skills in a variety of forms and contexts. So, ano ba yung communication?
Interact with each other.
Ano pa?
Collaboration.
Kung mapapansin ninyo, ang communication, ano siya, inline siya sa collaboration, di ba?
Exchanging ideas.
Bakit? Bakit inline siya sa collaboration?
Kasi you're not,
You need to communicate.
Communicate ka sa may
Ayan,
Now,
you need,
hindi ka nag-iisa.
yeah, because when you collaborate, you need to communicate, di ba?
Right.
So, it is the last courses. Communication skills are the abilities you use when you're giving and receiving different kinds of informations. Ano pa? We can get information when we communicate some. Including communication, new ideas. So, when you want to get a new ideas, you need to communicate with others, di ba?
Yes.
Ano pa? You need to know the example. You need paano ka makipag-communicate if you need to know the feelings of your love that you need to communicate, di ba? Ano pa? Even if you have a project, you need to communicate with your group mates to answer the project, di ba?
Brainstorming.
Ito yung ibig sabihin ng communication.
Pati sa kaaway.
Kaaway daw, maritis.
Okay, let's move. Collaboration. It entails demonstrating ability to work effectively and respectfully with diverse teams. So, ano yung ano niya? Ano ba yung collaboration?
Makikipag-collaborate.
Collaborate yung
Brainstorming.
Yes. Ano pa?
Brainstorming.
pag-iisa na lang. Ano yun?
Collaboration are working with others.
Yes.
You can connect with this to the
Gusto mo ginagawa ng mga vlogger?
Team.
example.
The team.
You can connect ang ano, example is no man
Is an island.
Yes, no man in an island.
Is an
Is an
island.
island.
Oh, yeah, yun.
No man is an island.
No man is an island, tama ba yun?
No man is
Is
an island.
Okay. So we need others to survive. So walang is on island and
An.
No man is
An.
No man is an
Yes,
Kasi
is an.
yung ano,
Island kasi
Walang
nagsimula
tama.
sa Pwede pa kay lower ng volume?
hindi,
Because
an.
Hindi an.
E-N.
An kasi sinulat ko.
E-N.
Tama na
Kasi
naman.
di ba island, nag-search sa
No man
I.
is
Ang search ko yan.
N. E-N.
Ang talaga yung
Okay, we need others to survive.
Gets ko na.
We need others to learn.
Nandun
ka sa island.
Keep quiet. We need others to have some ideas that we need. Ano pa? Ano pa ibig sabihin ng collaboration?
sharing ideas.
Oh, yes.
Means getting students work together. Yun, makipag-collaborate
Communicate
ka.
information.
Group report. Ganyan, may collaborate.
Contribution.
Means getting student work together, achieve compromises, and get the best possible results from solving a problem. So, pag may problem solving, kailangan mo din makipag-collaborate. At nakakatulong yun para makuha nyo yung solution.
Teams.
Ano pa? We need to collaborate to others to solve the best solution that we can have. We need to collaborate with others to learn. To learn something new that we can adapt to our ideas. So, hindi mo pwedeng solohin. Pwede kang makipag-collaborate sa mga classmate ninyo. Gaya nitong topic na to.
For more opinion.
Ayan. Gaya nitong topic na to, pwede nyo siyang pag-usapan. Makipag-collaborate ka sa classmate mo at mag-sharean kayo ng ideas.
Yes.
From that, nalalearn na kayo. Gets?
Yes.
Or, we can adapt in our own and make it our ideas. Next, creativity and innovation.
It's
Ano ba yun? It denotes use of wide range of idea creation techniques to create new and worthwhile ideas. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng creativity? Are these called thinking outside the box of many of us when we do a job or task? So, hindi lang natin iisipin yung,
Sarili na.
hindi lang natin iniisip yung nasa labas, iisipin din natin yung nasa loob. Kung may problema tayo, hindi lang tayo nakafocus sa isang
problema kailangan mo namin.
yung solution.
Ito na
Hindi
yung
lang tayo
brainstorming.
nakafocus. Yes. Hindi lang tayo
Thinking outside the box.
Yes. And we didn't think about the other option. So, creativity, you need to think outside the box. You need to think differently or be creative in other way. Ano pa ba ang ibig sabihin ng creativity? Is equally important as means of adoption. What else? Empower students to see concept in different light, which leads to innovation. Next is information, media, and technology skills. Saan ba siya? Saan ano to? Saan sa anong level siya? Information, media, nasa blue siya. Nasa blue. Blue label. Nasa gilid.
framework.
Nasa framework.
4.2.
malabo.
Purple?
Purple lang na sa'yo.
Oh. Iba-iba ba? Iba-iba.
Blue.
Hindi purple sa akin.
Okay, kahit,
baka-
kahit
online
anong
ka
kulay
pala.
siya, basta nandun siya sa gilid.
Nasa kanan siya, nasa right side.
People in the 21st century live in technology and media saturated environment marked by the following. First, access to an abundance of information. Second is rapid changes in technology tools. Third is the ability to collaborate and make individual contribution to an
Unprecedented scale.
yes. Therefore, to be the effective in the 21st century, everyone must be able to exhibit a range of functional and critical thinking related to the information, media, and technology. So, let's move. Ano yung first?
Information literacy.
Information literacy. It refers to assessing and evaluating information critically and competently and managing the flow of information from a wide variety of sources. Di ba ano, ano yun? Sinabihan ba yung mga may honors? Di ba 12 o'clock sila?
Sinabi ni ano, sinabi ni Mami Kai, na 12, yung awarding. Tanong
Award
ko.
ka? Sino? Ikaw?
O, bilis na pinapaalis na yung mga ano doon.
Excited. Ano ba yung information literacy? Ability to recognize when information is needed and to locate, evaluate, and use effectively the needed information. Ano pa ba ang ibig sabihin? Understanding the facts, figures, statistics, and data. That is why information literacy is a foundational skill. It helps us to understand facts, especially data points that we encounter online, on air, or on printed materials. More importantly, it teaches us to separate what is the facts or what is the fiction. Hindi pa kayo sinabihan kung kayo yung pupunta sa loob sa
Si Mami Kailangan.
Si Mami Kai lang
Nag-message
sabi.
Ma'am Claire. Nag-message siya ngayon.
Ano sabi?
Mag-awarding na po.
So, lahat pupunta doon. Mag-i-stop ba ang lecture? O yung mga...
Yung mga award lang siguro. Wala man kami award.
Ikaw, Reka, may award
Tanong
ka?
ko pa muna.
Is media literacy. Pag naririnig nyo to, ano yung pupasok sa isip nyo?
Media, about media.
Internet. It underscores understanding both how and why media messages are constructed. Creating media products by understanding and utilizing the most appropriate media creating tools, characteristic, and convention. So when we say media, we are speaking about the way people communicate around the
Social media.
world. Whether it is in the print media, television, or radio,
Social media.
and the new forms of media. Ano ba yung new forms ngayon? Yung social
Media.
Oh, ngayon,
that we have right
Hindi nyo
now.
masabi.
Excited lang kasi siya.
Hindi nyo naman sabi.
So, yung media literacy is the ability to assess, analyze, evaluate, and create media. Ano pa? Yung media literacy, understanding the methods and outlet in which information is published. So, with this, we can say that media literacy is the practice of identifying the publishing outlet platforms, the sources, and also we can distinguish which media is credible or which is not. So, alam na natin kung ano yung tamang, gaya ng pag nag-google tayo, alam natin kung ano yung tamang information na binibigay. Kasi sa wiki, hindi mo masasabing tama lahat yun, di ba?
Kasi na-edit siya.
Yes. Hindi lahat tama yung nag-run.
Palipihinga mo na.
Media literacy is also important in finding the truth around the world. Yun na yung sinasabi ko. In finding the information that we need. So, with the media literacy skills, we can find the trustworthy sources of information that we can believe or we can use in our daily lives. Yun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Kung ano yung mga, gaya sa Google, kung ano yung link na tamang information na binibigay. Gaya sa social media din. Hindi lahat ng
Not accurate.
yes, hindi lahat ng binibigay na information is
Marites
tama.
lang yung iba.
Pati din sa balita, hindi din naman 100%
Kaya
tama
nga,
sila,
maraming
di ba?
Nagtatakpa nila yung
Yung
fake news.
sa ABS, ito ang binigay na information sa kabilang
Sa GMA
network,
ba din?
hindi tugma.
Hindi tugma.
So, tayo ngayon, alam na natin kung paano mag-identify ng
Tama.
tamang information. Without it, anything that looks credible becomes credible even if it's not about within. We can learn which media outlets or formats to ignore which media outlets to embrace and which is equally. So, alam natin kung ano yung alam nating totoo. Sino bang, anong network ba yung inaano ninyo? Example, sa ABS at GMA. Saan ba yung mas feeling ninyo
Wala na
ay
ABS eh.
nagsasabi ng totoo?
Sa
Ano
Facebook.
ba ba EBS?
So, alam na natin
Sa
kung
Facebook
ano
page
yung
news
i-embrace
Pares
natin,
lang
di
yun
ba?
sila may fake news.
This media can be really influence
Bago to, diba?
us on how we view
Joke
the
lang.
world. Although sometimes media become ano ba to?
Toxic. Toxic din minsan.
Sobrang toxic talaga.
Aray ko,
Mga
yung
social
buhok ko
media.
lagi na lang naiipit.
Yeah, become racist, but in media literacy skill, we can identify which information coming from the media is a fact, which one is fake. So, alam na natin kung ano yung totoo at hindi. Example, some countries have centralized media. Ano pa ba yung mga country na nagse-centralize? Yung hindi ka pwedeng mag-access ng ibang gaya dito sa Hong Kong. Bawal ang TikTok, di ba? Yes. So, malalaman ng Hong Kong kung nag-open ka ng apps ng TikTok, di ba? Hindi mo siya sasabihin ka agad. na hindi.
Not available
Pero pwede
daw.
sa akin, ma'am. Gusto
Ma'am,
ko mag-TikTok.
Kasi gumamit ka ng
Philippine number.
Philippine number.
Philippine number. Kaya,
Tsaka hindi mo ginamit ang data dito, di ba?
Ang
Ano,
panis
Wi-Fi?
North Korea. Di ba
Oh,
wala
example,
talaga doon?
ito. Sometimes, countries have centralized media. So, example, in North Korea.
Yes.
Anong alam niyo sa North
Wala.
Korea?
Wala talaga.
Wala talaga.
ano lang,
In North
Old-fashioned
Korea, their media is controlled by the
Government.
So, how, now,
Kanila lang.
when they see North Korean people assessing other media coming from outside the border, anong ginagawa nila?
Pinapatay.
Yes,
Inuuli
especially
lang kami pag-
kung ang ino-open nila is about sa South Korea, people has narrow views of the ano ba yung ginagawa nila? Pinapunish nila. Ganun ka-centralize ang media sa
North.
North. Kahit naman saan meron eh. Sa Dubai, sinong nag-work sa Dubai? Yung hindi pwede ang
VPN.
video call na
Hindi sa Saudi ata. Yung
Bawal
sa-
messenger.
Tinanggal nila yung ma'am, yung
May walang video call.
Skype. Pero naabutan ko pa yung Skype.
Yung kaibigan ko, kailangan pa namin mag-Zoom para mag-video call.
Walang
Hindi
messenger, ma'am?
Hindi rin sila pwede sa
allowed.
messenger.
Hindi sila allowed. Kahit sa WhatsApp, hindi pwede. Walang
Ah,
video
ngayon ma'am,
call.
pati WhatsApp.
Dubai
Iba
ba
sa
yan?
China
Dubai ba
naman.
yan?
Sa China.
Dubai
Ang
ba
WhatsApp
Sa
yan?
China naman wala din.
Ang WhatsApp sa kanila, ma'am.
Unless mag-VPN ka. Pero
Hero?
hirap ba
Hindi, ang WhatsApp sa kanila around UAE lang.
WeChat ang
Pero pag sa
Okay.
labas, parang
In a narrow view, example sa atin, sa Pilipinas.
naka-close sila.
Okay. A narrow view of the world. So, let's back to our own country. Ano bang nangyayari sa Pilipinas?
Open
About sa
lang,
media natin. Sobrang open.
Sobrang ano nila, ma'am? Sobrang
Sobrang toxic.
The Philippines is
A free
dumped as
country.
the tax capital of the world. Due to the large volume of text.
Kaya nga text capital tayo,
messages
di ba?
we send all throughout the country. Pero ngayon, anong nangyari? Ano naman yun? Hindi naman nabago eh. More fascinating pa siya. As that the PH is now called the social media
See?
capital of the world.
At least meron tayo number
Mas may award tayo.
Kaya nga pag may
Piliin mo,
mga issue,
Pilipinas.
Pilipinas ang laging mataas ang rate na.
Mataas ang ano ma?
Marites.
Yung bashing na.
Kasi marami
Oo,
tayong
sumisikat sila. Pag Pinoy ang
Tsaka, ma'am.
ginagamit.
Okay.
Tsaka ma'am, isa pa sa napansin ko, ang mga Pilipino, masupport sila sa
Ibang lahi.
ibang lahi.
Iba.
Kaya ginagawa nilang content yung mga Pilipino.
Yes.
Kasi madali siyang sumikat.
Oo, to gain
Yes.
views.
At saka pag may mga, tingnan mo, pag may mga pageant, alam mo yung mga sinusuportan, Pilipino ang number 1.
Parang si Bella.
Ilang oras ba sa isang araw na gumagamit
Bobote.
ang Pilipino sa
Social media.
yung social
TikTok.
media? Almost 4 hours.
Wow.
Ganon katagal maggamit ng
Oo,
social media.
2 oras na to.
Eh, samantala sa mga puti, hindi sila yan nagtatagal kasi mas busy sila sa work. Kasi tayo, marami tayong time.
Kahit walang time
walang mga
gagawang
work.
time.
Walang work eh.
Kahit walang time, gagawang time.
Walang work kaya.
Yung
Salta ka naman, di ka
Pag may
narinig.
issue na isa.
Kurutin mo nga.
You like? Alive?
Iniisip niya yung English speaking mga.
Tingnan nga natin, baka manikin.
Parang
next,
halos lahat po ata.
technology literacy.
Certificate na nakapagpapas ka ng
It pertains to the use of technology as a tools to research, organize, evaluate, and communicate information.
Hindi ka nagpapasa?
Nag-video ako.
Ano ba ibig sabihin ng technology literacy in your own word? Ano yung pagkakaintindi nyo dito?
Being literate on using technology. Sana nababag on technology ka
From
naman.
technology, yeah.
Technology.
Technology is the ability to responsibly use appropriate technology to communicate, solve problems, assess, evaluate information, to improve learning in all subject areas. To put it simply, technology literacy means understanding the machine that make the information age possible. So, earlier, in the 90s, technology literate person noon, noong 1990s, is the one who can operate the typewriter. So, noon, typewriter lang. And it is extend on being able to technology literacy give us the basic information we need. Ano yan, sorry.
Typewriter.
Tatakpan ko lang. It is extend on being able to operate a calculator in 1960. So, from typewriting, nakakapag-operate na rin tayo ng calculator. It evolved further once a computer. So, hanggang sa na-invento na tong computer. It means to be able to navigate through the simplest word process on Microsoft Word and being able to spreadsheet. Technology literacy gives us the basic information we need to understand what gadget performs, what task, and why. Ano pa ibig sabihin ng technology literacy? It unmasks the high-powered tools that runs today's world. And also, as a result, student can adapt the world more effectively. So, dahil sa technology, mas nadadagdagan na yung natin, yung knowledge.
Malaman.
Kasi nga, ang dami ng
Ang dami na
Information.
sources. Yes.
Resources.
Marami tayong information na nakukuha. So, we can play an important role in the evolution of technology. Next is
life and career skills.
life and career skills. Today's life and work environment both requires modern thinking skills and content knowledge. Cultivating the ability to navigate the complex life requires a student to develop the following life and career skills. So, ano yun? Yung flexibility and adaptability, initiative and self-direction, social and cross-cultural skills, and lastly is
Productivity
fourth
and
is productivity and accountability. Last is the
Leadership and responsibility.
Ano pa yung flexibility and adaptability?
yung flexible ka, ma'am. Yung sinasabi mo na
Nakaka-expect ka.
yung
Debating from plans as needed, so it our ability to adapt the plans, to adapt the trend, to adopt the changes in our community or in our society in order to fit in. So yun yung ibig sabihin ng flexibility and adaptability. The word flexible
Flexible.
and adapt.
Ang alien.
Next is initiative and
Box dito.
self-direction.
Box dito.
Ano ba ibig sabihin nito? Starting projects, yung initiative, starting projects, strategies, and plans on one's and also known as the ability of the student. Initiative also is the ability of a person or a student to complete their own tasks, their own work in a specific or in appropriate period of time. So may goals and time sila. How to they manage goal and time. So next is basahin niyo na lang yung mga to ha. Binibigay ko lang yung ano. Social and cross-cultural skills. Interact effectively with others. Ang skills nila. Ano pa ibig sabihin ng social skills? Is the meeting and networking with others for mutual benefits. And also, very important in one life because it is our connections from people. It is a connection from people to people or for maintaining or gaining a long-lasting relationship. So, nagagamit din natin ang social skills. Next is productivity.
Accountability.
Yes. Ano pa ibig sabihin ng
Productive.
Yeah. When we say productivity, it is a maintaining efficiency in an age of distraction. So, in business terms, productivity is also an efficiency. So, hindi lang sa pwede din, sa business din, ganun din.
Sarah, may award din daw.
Si Sarah.
Sarah, may award ka. Tinawag na ba?
Meron dito sa group chat ko. Dalawa ang magandang.
Sana all.
Ayun.
Wala naman sinabi si ma'am.
Nasa GC.
Leadership. If you heard the word leadership, ano ba yung nasa isip nyo?
Leader.
When we say leadership, it is motivating a team to accomplish a goal. So when a leader, of course, we need to motivate. To motivate our team as a team leader. We need to help, we need to assist them, of course, and we need to respect, understand their decisions. A leadership also is a leader. We need to set a goals for the team. So,
Model ka ba kayo? Like that?
Hindi mo naman sinay. Hindi award din lang.
yung nandito na tayo sa
Mamaya.
yung charge for the teacher, yung standards and assessment. Nandito na siya. So, basahin nyo na lang siya, ha? Basahin nyo na lang ito para makamit. Implication to educators, implication to preserve teacher preparation, read lang talaga to, and learning environment. Nandito na siya lahat. Paano ibig sabihin nung nasa framework,
Hindi mo dala laptop.
Dito ma'am.
nandito sa book ninyo. Read nyo lang siya.
Di ba ikaw yun? Nung nauna ang dalawa ko yun. Si Jay. Si Jay.
Lahat kayo may book, di ba?
Ako mang wala.
Si Lorena wala.
Ay, hindi kasi siya. Ano?
Yun yung yung pinapamain kong book sa DC.
Hindi ko may 90 binili ng
Ayaw naman niya bumili.
Hindi mo ba nabasa
50
yung
lang
message
ang
sa
bago.
JC?
50? Saan mo binili?
Ay, ate.
Sa Pinas, di ba? Mura na rin.
Nag-order na sila.
Meron
ka naman na.
Yan. Hindi, inalok mo siya rin.
Murder ba?
Hindi, sabi ko wag na.
Ayaw niya. Saan ka sa Pinas, te? Sa Bulacan. 50 lang to? Bulacan.
Ako,
Pero kaya shift kung sa sa Caloocan siya magpasta pa ito. Hindi, doon na lang kasi pick up ko na lang next.
Nasada ako namin.
Ay, hindi sa kapatid na lang pala ni Justin. Yung,
Meron ka na, di ba kami mag-uuhol?
kay ma'am,
Kasi ma'am, sakay mo nga ako ng adolescent sa cars.
sa libro. Sige, pag nakausap ko yung
Hindi ka
kasi
sa
50 lang naman sa comprom.
yung charts, yes. Ganyan din ginawa na.
Di ba may comprom?
Ah, ganun din.
Sarah?
Sa sa Pinas, i-order mo.
I-order kayo.
Comprog 1. Comprog, wala ka? Comprog
Wala.
1?
May comprog yun. Yun yung...
Kasi
Check mo nga.
Computer programming sila.
Meron
Nasa iyo ano, di ba?
Meron.
Nasa iyo.
Adolescent meron.
Inaalo po kita. Ayaw mo niya.
Wag na. Hindi naman mag-picture na.
Bigay ko na lang sa'yo kasi may
Totoo?
comprog ako. Check mo na. Oo, ako na kasi hindi ko na magagamit.
Kung merong adolescent.
Sayang kasi pag isa lang kasi babayaran ko lahat na
Computer programming ko, nandun na kay ano eh, kay Jean ata. Yung computer programming ko, ano?
Isa lang
Sa tawag, pero i-open mo yung
technology.
Rochelle.
Rochelle, sa Sunday na lang.
Sige,
Sirado na to.
na.
Tama mo sa negosyo.
Uy, labas na kayo. Ah, tatawagin
Hindi
daw
ko
kayo.
pag wala eh.
Para ano yung gagawin mo? Nagle-lesson si ma'am, tapos ikaw dyan.
Tapos na ata si Mami.
Wala pa. May chapter
si ma'am kapag
Chapter 3?
Kasi hindi kayo nag-tagaan.
Ay, ano, katugtog pa lang ba to?
Wala kayo buksan na lang.
Wait lang, buksan mo nga. Ganito.
Kasi pag hindi natawag, wala na tayo.
Ganyan ba lang para maririnig mo?
Di sabi ni Memeli, check siya naman natatawag ko.
Okay,
Wow.
yung new literacies. Rochelle, wag mo masyadong
Sarado mo daw. Sarado mo.
mas malakas pa ang boses ko. Yung maririnig mo lang. Okay, let's move.
Module 3 naman.
Yung new literacies. Exploring the new literacies.
Nauupo na naman.
Basahin nyo lang ito kasi research lang naman dito. Basahin nyo na lang siya. Parang proof lang yan. So, basahin nyo lang siya yung new literacies. Okay? Let's move to the exploring the new literacies. These are the 7. Ano ba yung exploring the new literacies?
Dito mga 7.
New literacy.
41.
40 page. 40.
Hindi ako makapag-lecture.
7 exploring literacies.
Ah.
Okay, as a future teacher, these are what we call different literacies, multi-literacies that future educator should possess so that they could understand the diverse learning that they will be handling in the future. Ito yung mga exploring the new literacies. So you need to understand the diversity of our learners, issues when it comes to culture and about multicultural literacy. So we need to become more sensitive with the different cultures of our learners. So, itong multicultural literacy, social literacy, media literacy, financial literacy, digital literacy, ecological literacy, and creative literacy, itatakal nyo to sa report nyo. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Hindi ko na siya iisahin kasi i-report mo din naman siya.
Okay. Yes. Yung sa akin kasi financial literacy. Kami ng award.
The truth on 21st century literacies according to research.
Uy, makinig ko naman.
May klase tayo. May klase tayo.
Sarado muna.
Paano marinig?
Tatawagin naman tayo eh.
Wala pa yan nasa third. Ano pa?
Tatawagin naman tayo eh.
Sibang niya sa
Oo.
award dito ba?
Maingay sila.
Excited kayo ah.
Ni Ma'am.
Ina?
Yes, di labas.
Ano sabi?
Sabi niya labas.